Okay, so another thing I want to show here that was really helpful with remote, because if you want to take the radiator off, you have to take the clutch fan off to get to like water pump and or anything you want to do on these engines as far as the front of the engine goes. So I'm going to show you guys this trick that I learned to remove the clutch fan, because the clutch fan is held on to the water pump pulley via this 32 mil nut, and you have to stop the water pump pulley from turning in order for you to be able to do that. This is reverse threaded, so you have to turn right in order for it to come loose, because the engine turns clockwise, and if this was regular thread, when the engine turns clockwise, this would come loose. So that's something to make sure you turn it clockwise to loosen it, and then counterclockwise to tighten it, which is backwards from a lot of other engines or all the threads like a regular bolt. So make sure you're not turning it left like regular bolts, because then you will have issues. Make sure you're replacing the belt if you're going to do this trick, because you will most likely damage it, because it has to go through this little tight area here. So you're going to bend it like I did, and I'm going to turn. Definitely change your belt if you use this trick, because you can see it's going to damage it. So what you want to do is wrap it around the alternator pulley, and we're going to keep turning until the alternator grabs the belt. So right here, it's going to grab it. It walked a little bit on me, but it'll still work. And then we'll just give it a good tap, and nice and loose. You just spin it, and if you don't grab it, it'll fall on you. So now to put it back, you're gonna put your belt, you're gonna put your new belt and your old belt, because you're gonna have your radiator and the fan in here. You're not gonna be able to get the new belt on here, so make sure you do that. But I'll show that once I'm putting this thing back together. Alright, so I've got my new belt just hanging out in there. And then I'm going to get this guy prepped before the fan's in here, because that's a lot easier. And we're just going to do the same thing like I did when I took it off. Except we're going to go the other way now, and we're going to fold it the other way. And we're going to turn this pulley, and a lot easier to do this than removing it, because nothing's in the way. So keep this guy out of the way here. Now we're all prepped up, nice and snug. Probably zip tie this guy, but good. This should work. Alright. Hose out of the way. Nice, neat. Got both my belts. I'm gonna move this guy out of the way. And we're gonna go ahead and thread this guy on. Remember, it's backwards, reverse thread, so put it on and it's turned to the left. Alright. Going on beautifully because everything's good. See how this tightened up, and give it a snug before we permanently commit. And it's good. That means nothing's hidden here. Alright, grab your 32 mil. Load this guy up. Nice and snug. Don't let that thing flying. So now you need to get this old belt off. Install a new belt. This trick works a lot easier if you don't care about the belt, which I don't, because I'm already in here. Belt's 20 bucks. Just replace it. Alright, so I did this new belt on here. Look at my pictures. Remember how it goes on. So this might take a while, but I've got a pretty good general idea. Just because I know how the pulley system works. Alright, took me a minute to figure out the belt diagram because my pictures weren't that great, so I pulled it up on Google. Tensioner is down here. It's not this guy. I know in some of the engines it's this guy, but on the 2.5 liter, because this is swapped to 2.5, you just gotta get a 8 mil Allen. Use this 10 mil. Give me a little bit of leverage. Voila. It's not sitting right. Just make sure it's sitting right on all the belts. Once the engine starts running, it'll be good to go. So, it's on there. And fan's on. Nice and tight. So, that's that. Let me know what you guys thought. I hope you guys liked some of the tricks for taking the clutch fan off, and thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Ton more content coming up on this Pro car and the new project that I'm going to announce next week. So definitely stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next one.